Hey guys, so the Xiaomi Mi 10 is coming soon. We heard rumors, saw leaks and some official confirmation, but right now I'm gonna show you the real life hands-on look of the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. So starting things with the box package, this box looks similar to the Mi Note 10 package, however it clearly says Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G. Now on front it is having Samsung Super AMOLED curved display and a single punch hole selfie shooter on the top left corner. So yes, the Mi 10 Pro is also coming with a single punch hole, and that's great cause dual hole looks super ugly for sure. You see bottom chain looks really small and that's great. Xiaomi is likely using optical fingerprint scanner. Now on the back panel we are having vertical quad camera setup which looks not so unique. There's 108 megapixel branding and Xiaomi is using Samsung's 108 megapixel shooter for amazing images. Samsung is also using custom made 108 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but that thing is different from what Xiaomi is using. There's gonna be a wide angle lens, telephoto zoom and a depth shooter with LED flash to the bottom. On top there are speaker grills, IR blaster, bottom there is C port, SIM card tray and speaker grills. Likely it is having stereo speakers which is impressive, and headphone jack cannot be seen, so Xiaomi is finally ditching it. Honestly, these are not so great images. Shocker is these images are shot using the Mi 10 Pro quad camera setup. You clearly see the watermark says all. So in terms of the specifications, Xiaomi is using Snapdragon 865, the flagship level silicon. There's gonna be 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM inside the Mi 10 Pro, and same is the case with the non-Pro Mi 10. There's 90Hz refresh rate, 4500 and 4800 mAh battery on the Mi 10 and 10 Pro. Interesting part is the 10 Pro features 65 watts of super fast charging, which is similar to the Reno Ace VOOC 2.0. Some information from China says there's gonna be 33 watts of wireless charging along with 30 watts of reverse charging mechanism, and that applies to both Mi 10 and 10 Pro. So this is the whole package of Xiaomi Mi 10 series. We still have no information on the low-end Mi 10 SE. You can expect the Snapdragon 765 5G CPU and some low-end specifications with similar design. Xiaomi is likely launching the Mi 10 Pro flagship in China on 11 February, clashing Samsung's launch. This Mi flagship will arrive to Europe and India by mid this year. So that's all guys, Xiaomi Mi 10 SE, Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, which one are you most excited for? Let me know in the comment section, like, subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.